Gentlemen, it's the end of the 6 weeks and the end of the first semester, and we have a number of assignments we've got to get completed. Going back to the first week of this 6 weeks, week 13, time management. We still have a number of people in every single section that haven't turned this in. We've got to get caught up, gentlemen. We don't want anyone to make bad grades this 6 weeks, so let's make sure we're doing it. So here we are, real quick, what you're supposed to do. Here's your assignment. You're supposed to fill this in. Your name comes up here, the month, the year, so obviously 2021, and then the dates of the week. Put them in here. Whatever period you have JROTC, and actually you're supposed to be putting all your courses in here. You list them from your first period all the way down to your 8th period. Whatever your schedule is, put those over here in the shaded column. Then when you have an assignment due, you put it on the date it's due. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You put it in there. To download this sheet, you have to come up to these 3 dots because you're not getting access. You have to follow these instructions. Click those, open in a new window. Sometimes on the Chromebook, it's going to come up very similar, but it's just going to have this icon right here, which is your download, or it'll be up underneath these 3 buttons. If it's not here, it'll be over here. You click download. On my computer, it shows up down here in the bottom left. On yours, it'll be here. You click open in files. And this is where you open it, you get your own copy, and then you start to do the work. Put in your 8 subjects over here. If you don't take 8 subjects because you have office period or office assistant or something along those lines, you can leave those open. But in here, you make sure you get those in and you get those put in. For the other section of this, okay, you were supposed to do a time management sheet. Okay, this is where you make sure that you're tracking your minute, every minute of your day from midnight to midnight, all the way through. Excuse me. And here, I gave you an example. I was sleeping until about 6 o'clock, and this is me. This is what my average day is like. I usually get up either between 5, 5:30, or 6, depending upon what I've got going on. I get my day prep. I work out, I read my devotionals, or I'm listening to a devotional, and then I get ready for my day. I drive to YMLA, and then we have the school day. After that, I'm usually contacting parents about students' performance. And then I'm either grading or I'm doing my homework. And that's pretty much my entire life, Monday through Saturday. So make sure you're getting this done, gentlemen. You're doing it. Again, you've got to do the same thing to download it. Click those 3 dots, come over here, click download, and it'll show up over here. Get this turned in, gentlemen. We've got to get this done. Next